Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you an Asian vegetable stir fry recipe. Before getting into the video, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and bell icon next to it so that you will never miss an update from my channel. So let's start the recipe. First of all, let me show you what are the vegetables I have here. So here I have some Brussels sprouts, beans, baby bok choy, asparagus, some broccoli, few slices of carrot, and some chopped mushroom. Let's pre-cook the veggies. For this I have taken water. Into this I will add few drops of olive oil and a pinch of Himalayan rock salt, and I will heat this over a medium-high heat until the water boils. Once the water boils, I will add all those veggies except carrot and the mushrooms. I will cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and so. Then we'll transfer these veggies into another bowl of cold water. Then I have taken a pan, and once the pan heat enough, I will add some olive oil into this. Then goes into this some chopped garlic and green chilies. Then stir it few times to release the fragrance. Now I will add those chopped carrots and mushrooms and will stir it again. Now I drain these veggies from the cold water bowl and will add these into the pan and will stir properly. Again we'll add a pinch of salt and let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Now in a small bowl I have taken around 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and into this we'll add a teaspoon of soy sauce and some tomato sauce and we'll give it a good mix. I added the sauce mixture into this. Lastly, we'll add some roasted sesame seeds and give it a mix. Our vegetable stir fry is ready to serve. While serving, you can garnish with little more sesame seeds. For the stir fry recipe, you can choose the veggies of your choice and availability. I hope you enjoyed this dish. Try it at your home and give your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I will come back with a new video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.